Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. With the weather heating up right here in Berks County, keeping your car's AC ice cold is a top priority. If you own a newer vehicle, you might have heard about a different kind of refrigerant, R-1234yf. Today we're diving into what makes R-1234yf different from the old stuff and why servicing it requires specialized equipment, like the machines we use here at Myles. Ever wonder why your newer car's AC service might seem a little different? Stick around because we're about to break down the cool science. For years, the standard car AC was R-134A, but times change and so do refrigerants. R-1234yf is the newer, more environmentally friendly option you'll find in newer vehicles. Why the switch? Well, R-1234yf has a significantly lower global warming potential, making it a much greener choice. But that's not the only difference. R-1234yf has a couple key characteristics that set it apart and necessitate specialized AC service equipment. Unlike R-134A, R-1234yf is mildly flammable. Now, don't panic, but this does mean we need specific handling procedures and machines designed with safety in mind when we're working on your AC system. Think about it. You wouldn't just use any pump to inflate a specific type of tire, right? Similarly, R-1234yf systems have different service port fittings than older R-134A systems. This prevents accidental mixing and ensures we're always using the correct refrigerant for your vehicle. Now, let's talk about our specialized recharge machine. This isn't your grandpa's AC recharge unit. We invested in this technology to ensure we can service your newer vehicle's AC system safely and efficiently. So what exactly does this advanced R-1234yf machine do that's different? Well, for starters, it ensures safe recovery of the existing R-1234yf from your car. This is vital for the environment and prevents any contamination. Then it performs thorough recycling, processing the recovered refrigerant to remove moisture, air, and other gunk. This allows us to reuse it whenever possible, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a win-win. So before we even think about putting new refrigerant in, our machine performs precise evacuation. It creates a vacuum in your AC to remove any remaining air and moisture. Why is this important? Because any leftover air or moisture can seriously impact your AC's performance and even cause damage down the line. Here's a crucial step you won't find on any older machines: integrated leak testing. Our R-1234yf machine has the capability to check for leaks in your AC system before we recharge it. This saves you the headache and cost of a recharge that could just leak out again. We want to fix the problem, not just temporarily mask it. Finally, the machine handles the accurate recharge. It precisely measures and charges the exact amount of new or recycled R-1234yf back into your system. This ensures that your AC system is performing at its optimal cooling capacity, keeping you comfortable on those hot Pennsylvania drives. And for an added layer of safety and accuracy, some of our advanced machines even have refrigerant identifiers. This amazing feature confirms that the refrigerant in your vehicle is indeed R-1234yf and can detect any potential contaminants before we even start the service. So there you have it. Servicing the AC in your newer vehicle with R-1234yf is a bit different, and that's why having the right specialized equipment like our machines is important. Ready to make sure your newer car's AC is blowing icy cold? Don't wait until the heat gets unbearable. Schedule your AC service today at your nearest Myles in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing. We're here to keep you cool and comfortable all season long. Stay tuned for a part 2 where we'll dive into the different types of AC recharges and which one might be right for your vehicle. See you next time.